All right, hey everybody. Like unplanned, Randy repairs it. This is my brand new Einhell sander, and I'd been ripping through some. Hang on, my shop's a real mess. I gotta clean it up. I've been ripping through some stucco basically on some patched holes in this other utility room I've been working on, and you'll see that in another episode. But this thing, it's going, all of a sudden it quits. I'm like, what the heck? So I bring it down, I blow it out, because I know the white powder from the stucco is really fine. It can get hung up in the bearings typically, but it usually doesn't stop the motor. So I unplug it, I give it a second, I plug it back in, it works fine. I'm like, okay. I get going again, it shuts off. So I blow it out again completely. I go back up, and it was shutting off left and right. So I started hitting the cord, and it started turning back on again. So I'm wondering if there's something loose in here. So we're gonna take this apart, because I really don't have time to drag this back to the shop where I bought it and go get another one. I don't want to do this manually, do I? We'll use the drill. So you get a bonus episode. Are we on hammer? Why are we on hammer? Normally with a new tool under warranty, I would just take it back, but I don't have time to. I really don't have time. I'm trying to get this this room done, and I've got appointments and other stuff this week. It's not long enough, so I don't have time to be messing around too much with this. Are you different? Oh, maybe you are. I don't need to take you out. Okay. I know what they did there. Is this going to come off without that? It might. Now, I've never been into this sander or any other sander for that matter. I might have to take that off, huh? Let's see. Yeah, it looks like I will. Yeah, it's not gonna come off. Okay. Well, we gotta take the whole thing apart. Are you different? You're a different screw. All right. It might not hurt to take this all apart and really get a good blowout. All right, there's the bearing. It's not hot. Got a little bit of dust in it, not a lot. All right, let's see. Are you Phillips or are you? You look like you're Phillips. Yeah, but you do not want to come out. Okay, so there we go. Okay, yeah, you do got to take the whole thing off. All right. That was bent over, but they're in. All right, let me blow this out. I got it open here, and yeah. Yeah, I'm wondering if the powder's getting in at the armature. Yeah, because it's kind of loaded. You can see it's loaded in there. Let's. So that is tiny, tiny, tiny. You know what? I think, oh, that's what's going on. Look at that. That's what's going on. It just popped off. So these weren't soldered on correctly. Oh, that's going to be fun. Okay. We're going to break out the soldering station, don't we? Okay, I think I got it. Let's see. Oh yeah, much better. There's no gap. That was just not soldered correctly from the factory. That's crazy. Let's put it back together. Make sure it's going to work. There we go. Okay. You gotta go around. No, wait. Yeah, okay, the switch has to go in here. Okay. Yeah, that's it. We got that right. This is right. All that can go on later. I've blown it out. Yeah, I don't like it's not going all the way. Why aren't you going all the way back together here? I just got to put it back together again. So what I had done, the first time when the whole motor assembly came out, there's a little plastic piece down here that got turned, and I thought that it was seated correctly, and it was basically 9 degrees out of whack. So I had to take it back apart. You see, it's still not wanting to go back together back here. I don't know why, because there's nothing in there. There's nothing in the way. Make sure it's not binding. I would get grease on me, really. Oh, yeah, a screw that fell out. Sounded like. Yep. Where'd you come from? You came from the front. We'll just make sure all these are tightened. I thought I got them all, but I guess not. Yeah, it is better because that gap back here is not as tight as it was. All right, we're still turning. Okay, let's put this in. Ah, no. Okay, hang on. You just stay popped off there for a second. Yeah, this is not real fun to, it's not a fun repair, to say the least. Come on, you get back. You gotta go in right there. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Now the whole thing's come back off though. Just you, okay, there. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's check it and see if it does the same thing. Yeah, that works. There you have it. I guess once that gets paper on it, it'll, unless I put those on backward, and that one goes on that side and this one goes on this side. No, they got to curve out like that. Yeah. I think that's right. Okay. Well, what can I say?